good morning, 6th standard. This is Mrs. Sheila Bosco again for the next lesson, body movements. It's a very special lesson. It's because we are going to learn about our body, our bones, our muscles, our movements. Now let us start the introduction part of it. Just look at the hand. See, this is a hand. I'm going to tie. There are some sticks on it. You also try at home. Try some stick on it and try to write. Your answer, is it yes? You are a magician. If it is no, it's a real human being. It's not possible with a stick you cannot write. If you're going to try 5 sticks on your finger, you cannot write it because the stick it cannot bend. Now look at the first figure. I have a bend here. This can bend and this can bend and this can bend. Now you are able to hold the pen and write. The same way you want to take your food. You have to bend all the parts. Like everywhere there is a bend. Bend here. There are bend here. What is this bend called? We call it as a joint. Joint. There are some places without joint, but many places we have joints. The maximum joint we have in the hands because we have to do lot of work with the hand. See, here there is a joint, here, here, and you have here. See, I can do it. Otherwise, imagine if it is straight. This part is straight, no joint. You cannot do anything. The same way, this part is straight. You cannot bend. Can you just bend, try to bend? Please don't break your hands. Be very careful. Okay. About this we are going to learn about. This is only an introduction. You need a joint to do any work. Before learning joint, I am going to teach you the skeletal system. We'll go on to the skeletal system with the video format. Welcome to the next lesson. Bye. We will continue the lesson, children. First, we'll learn about skeletal system. That is, you just touch your body, your hands, legs, head, everywhere. You can feel something very hard. That is called bones. That system is called skeletal system. We are going to learn about human skeleton. Still you are touching your hand and leg and head. Yes, can you feel the hard parts? Those parts are called bones. Now, these bones are arranged in order like a framework. Then only we look like a human being. Otherwise, without the bone, the framework, we will be like a jelly. We don't have a shape. So, the skeletal system gives a shape and make us do movements and protect all the internal important organs. Just look at the part by part we will learn. The parts of the skeletons are divided into 4 major parts. One is the skull, next is the backbone, rib cage and the limbs. The skull. The skull is nothing but the topmost part of the body. See, you can see the smiling skull. Here, the bones are attached together, arranged together, but the lower jaw is movable and you have sockets for the eyes and nose. The skull protects the important organ called brain. Now the rib cage is formed from like a cage. It's like a cage. It starts from the front and attached with the backbone. It protects the important organs like stomach, lungs and heart. There are 12 pairs of rib bones. These rib bones, see, can you see? It starts from the front and the back. It is attached with the backbone. The backbone are the spine bone. The spine bone and the backbone together form the cage. This cage protects all the soft organs. Now we'll go on to the backbone. The backbones are arranged like for us to bend arranged 33 backbones are there. It's called vertebra. Each bone is called a vertebra. Just bend your neck and see. Each vertebra can be bent. Bend your hip and see. These parts, the red highlighted parts, the backbone, that is the able to make us bend. The limbs. The limbs means hind limbs and the forelimbs. Hind limbs, the lower limbs, forelimbs and the upper limbs. The upper limbs we call it as hands. Lower limbs we call it as legs. The upper limbs, you can see the framework, the bones on the upper limbs. The names of it I'll teach you when I'm teaching the movements. The lower leg bones are attached to the pelvic bones. Pelvic bones is nothing but our hip bones. See, can you see the hip bones there? The otherwise called pelvic bones. This is the skeletal system of a human. In this you have learned so far. The skeleton is the framework of our bones and it gives a shape and support to the body. There are 4 parts of the skeletal system. They are skull, ribs, spine and limbs. The skull is made up of bones of the head and the face. The skull protects the brain from any damage. Rib cage is body structures present in the chest area. They protect the internal organs of the stomach, lungs and heart. Arms and legs together make the limbs. The upper limb, the forelimb, we call it as hands, and the lower limb or the hind limb we call it as legs. And with this we have cartilages. This is a soft bones. You can bend the bones. Ordinary bones you cannot bend it. See, for example, ear bone. Ear bone is a cartilage. All that we'll be explaining in the next section of your class. This is an introductory class. Please see the skeleton again and again and see the bones. I'll be naming the bones in the next class. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye.